Alright, we are here.
Everybody, we are on the Scarlet Lady with Virgin Voyages, and we are in a Sea Terrace room, which means it's a balcony. So we have not even been inside the room yet, but we wanted to show y'all a room tour of us basically being completely surprised alongside us of what's in here. I have seen videos online. Chris hasn't seen anything, I don't think.
I'm going in blind.
He didn't even know that there was a hammock on the terrace. So...
Well, spoilers.
Oh. Sorry. So these are our room keys that they give us in checkout at check-in, and not checkout, check-in. And this is our room, and then I'm assuming we just scan this and go in. So we're gonna show y'all this room in real time. Here we go. Oh, it's green. Okay.
Oh, it opens to the inside. That's perks for that. Ooh, those lights are sick. Oh, and it's got a little animation. Explore this thing.
When we walk in, this is kind of nice. So this has a little curtain.
A little courtesy curtain,
But,
so you don't have to
looks
see
like that's
your...
like maybe if you have something fancy, which we really don't. But some hangers. There's a little place to put your suitcase and some little bins.
Some
So
storage.
that looks like life jackets, a safe, some additional storage, and these are kind of cool. Yeah, that's
Drawers for
nice. Yeah,
things.
little drawers for things. That's fun. And then a hairdryer.
Nice.
So that's what
Gonna
that
be
is.
Using that.
When you need that later.
A nice mirror. Hello.
Oh, is that a mirror?
That's a mirror. I'm right there.
I look a little disheveled because we've been traveling all day, but it's fine. Okay, so potty. Different than, I will say different than when we were in a veranda room on the Disney Dream. There was a split bathroom, so the toilet was in one room and the shower and everything was in the other. This is one, but it's honestly like, it's small, but like, it's not surprising. Like the size is not like crazy. It looks like they have a...
There's like 2 feet of clearance
Rain.
above your head, which is not...
Well, and I'm not really probably a good person to do this because I'm small. You are.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm average. I'm like 6 feet on a good day.
Yeah.
So if you're 7 feet tall, that's some headache.
It looks like
for
they
you, but
have... True, with the red.
nice. It's a Virgin themed soap here.
Yeah.
Got a little from the ceiling shower head.
Yeah, we like those. That's kind of fun. Okay, that is very low to the ground, which is very interesting. Okay, let's start over here though. So we've got, oh, I did see this online, which is super nice. They have carafes, was that what you call them? They always think of giraffes, of water, which we drink water like fiends. So this will be really nice to have, because I remember on the Disney cruise, I feel like I was constantly having to go up to the decks to get water in my cup. So glasses and water, which is great. No idea what this is. Screw it and let's do it. Screw it, let's do it. Oh, it's a corkscrew. Okay, so you can pay $25 to keep it, but that's interesting. Okay, cool. And then there's a little trash can. Little desk here that looks like it has some information about what's going on. So that's cute, all the hours of everything. Okay, and then a nice little mirror here with some red accents. They have a lot of mirrors because
Oh my. That is...
a very large mirror. I actually really like that they have that. Love that. This chair is cool. And then a little red friend. Another little, looks like it's just something, like a little thing that you can take home if you pay for it. So that's cute.
Okay,
Oh, this is nice to have if we like get snacks to eat.
Oh, a
in
little
bed,
wheelie
or,
guy.
Like, to do some vlog editing. Looks like there's a nice red blanket here. This would like maybe a double or a queen size bed is
Oh,
my
this is for sure a
guess.
queen. Yeah, that's a
Oh.
queen.
It doesn't feel very comfortable.
It's very... It's It's very low to the ground.
It's very low to the ground. I'm not sure how comfortable that feels yet. It looks, oh, because I sat in the middle, so it looks like, I think I do remember seeing this online. I think we may have to play around with it, but I think you could reconfigure this into a L-shaped couch.
Oh, cool.
Or a bed, which we'll probably just keep it as a bed, because, like, you know.
Yeah, why not?
All right, so some sheer curtains here that are fun, and then goes out to our little balcony here. We got a nice look at the parking lot.
Miami in the background here.
All right, so let's see. Okay, that doesn't open super wide. Okay, so cute little balcony. I feel like it's a little bit deeper than our Disney one. I can't really remember. It feels a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
So what is cool about this out here is this guy. Oh, I'm afraid of heights. So this is not probably the best thing for me to be in right now. Yay, I'm having so much fun on the heights. Scary. But you have this, and then 2 little tables and chairs, and that's kind of fun. It says Sail the Virgin Way out here. The terminal, whatever you want to call it, was actually really cool. So good views of that, and then we're back in. It's nice and cool in here. I feel like it might be a teensy bit smaller than the Disney cruise room in some ways, but overall it's very cute. It's very like modern. Oh, I didn't even see what's under here.
Ah, a little mini fridge.
We have a little fridge. Cutesies. Some more storage right there. Some hooks, which is nice. We probably still could have used some extra hooks, but overall,
yeah, really pretty.
it's cute. I like the theming. I like the red. I like the little accents of things. So, oh, and the TV. That's always nice. So yeah, we're in the aft, so the back of the boat, almost the very, very back of the boat. And this is a Sea Terrace room on the Scarlet Lady.
Okay. I was going to ask you, the specifics.
Yeah, it's a Sea Terrace. And yeah, if y'all have any questions about it, let us know. And, oh, I just noticed something else. So this is the tablet. It says, "Ahoy sailor, I might look like your average tablet, but I control both your TV and your cabin. I'm humble though. Before we get started, let's watch this quick safety video." So I was gonna say, oh cool. All right, so we can do temperature, oops, the lights. Let's see. I don't even know if they're on. I don't know.
Yeah, that did just turn them off.
Oh, did it? Fun. We can have different lighting, the temperature. I think it's as cool as it's gonna be, which is good. Looks like, can we turn music on?
Oh, that's kind of fun.
Let's see. This one's called The Hangover. So
no way.
That's so funny.
So it's got blackout curtains.
Yes, put your blackout curtains. Let's see. Let's get it on.
Oh snap!
Oh, that's
so cool.
Funny. I love. Oh my gosh. Okay, so a photo shoot. So it's gonna give us light. That's really fun. Okay, that's super fun. All right, let's see. Okay, won't let me do anything else because I haven't watched the safety video. So after we watch this, we may show y'all some more of it.
Ahoy, everybody!
Ahoy!